On initial contact information, Yankee.
6 Kilo Charlie has Yankee.
Thank you.
Okay.
I can hear you.
Okay.
It's on autopilot, okay? Right now, having heading mode to stay out of the restricted zone.
Okay.
Are you nervous?
No. Can I hand fly some more?
Give me a second, let me focus.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pattern altitude's 1,500 feet.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I looked it up.
You can hand fly. Your controls.
Okay. Autopilot. So you gotta turn off autopilot and the brain.
Yeah. You can keep the brain on, but...
Okay.
3,500.
Number 3903, traffic 1233 miles opposite direction, sling 1,000 feet below you, contact approach 124.1.
Can we turn on the red light? How do you get that on in the dark? You just know where it is? Okay. But the,
Yeah, we're looking for traffic, 6 Kilo Charlie.
but this burns out my eyes, is that how it works?
Maintain VFR 5,000 for traffic.
No. It's just... I don't need it.
I need it.
South 49,
if you don't mind.
Make sure you are familiar with that restricted airspace off your left.
Affirmative, South 49er will remain outside of the restricted.
I guess we can turn it off now, but once we start to descend, I need that shit. So it's right above here.
I'm
yeah, I'm gonna shut it off.
Whatever you want.
Southbound 5,400, type unknown.
Looking for Sierra Romeo.
Traffic inside, 6 Kilo Charlie.
Okay.
Gotta make sure we stay out of that restricted zone. Right?
Marine 85 Whiskey, contact Los Angeles Center 128.6.
28.685 Whiskey.
South 49, contact approach 134.0.
Contact approach 134.0, Jazz 49er.
Does it look like it's pointed kind of like at the right spot?
It could be up more a little bit.
Okay, there we go.
Right there, that's better.
Appreciate it. This helps me because then I can watch it later.
Do you actually watch it?
I do.
Does it get our sound too?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. All this we're talking?
Yeah, I can send you our video of our of my flight. You can watch it if you want. It's got everything. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, sure.
And I absorb more. Like, oh, okay, I remember. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Then let's talk about autopilot then.
Yeah, exactly.
FD.
All right, so brain.
Altitude, because we're ready where we want to be.
Right, nav, and autopilot.
Yeah, nav, right, but we have to be careful with this restricted area.
Right.
So if our navigation takes us into the restricted area, we want to use our heading bug, and you fly heading right now.
Okay, so what if I don't turn on nav?
Don't turn it on.
Okay, so I can hit autopilot.
No, you have to give it a direction.
Oh, okay.
Heading, autopilot.
Okay, so let go?
Yeah, it's flying it.
Okay. So heading is that other one?
Heading is the blue line.
Got it, got it. But nav is the pink Pepto-Bismol line.
Yeah. Okay.
What did I do? I pitched some. Okay.
All you have to do is click back because it's telling you how far you are from where you pointed.
Got it.
Okay. You have to make sure we don't fly into that restricted area.
Yeah.
That's a big no-no. You want to hand fly or no?
Yeah, I'm gonna hand fly. So
FV.
autopilot, or does it matter which one I do first?
I turn off autopilot first.
Autopilot, brain. Yeah, like when I watch this later, I'm gonna be able to see it, and I'll be able to memorize it better.
Okay.
So this is my altitude. This is pink. This is my blue, like just to continue on the heading I'm on. This is instrument. I don't need to worry about that. And TRK is
Your track.
I know. So
I've never used it.
All right. Okay. And then I can change it right here, or I can slide down and up. Right.
You change your altitude with this, and then you tell yourself what speed you want to climb at.
Right.
Where you're descending.
Right.
3,500.
Yeah.
Gotta watch everything. We'll talk about it on the way back.
Right. Okay. Cool.
We're close to landing. I'm gonna change the altimeter. It's 29907.
Okay.
Landing in a parting
I'm glad you can see that. I can't fucking see that.
Oh, this I can change.
Oh, okay. That's better now.
Oh.
This is clear, but that is like, I can see that. But I don't need to. You're the one looking at that.
I'm not looking at anything. I'm looking at my iPad and this.
Oh, okay.
And outside.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be. You're a VFR pilot right now.
Charlie
Right.
Alpha, traffic at 11 o'clock in a mile southeast bound, 500 feet below your swing.
Inside 6 Charlie Alpha.
6 Kilo Charlie, traffic 11 o'clock a mile northbound,
Tell 'em
4,000
insight.
Cherokee.
Traffic in sight, 6 Kilo Charlie. Yeah, I'm going to bust a right a little bit just to like cut off that corner.
Good.
Got someone 500 feet above and 2,400 feet.
That was the people that you just told them were
Now
inside.
496, turn 5 degrees left.
Is that us? 496?
No, 296 Kilo Charlie.
Oh.
Not that. Just be careful. What's wrong?
Nothing. It looked like we were right on course, and then you zoomed in. We were way off.
Yeah, that's why you zoom in to see. Like,
Yeah.
You look like you're on right there.
Right,
Zoom in, look how far off you are.
Yeah,
but you're
I know.
trying to stay out of the restricted,
Yeah,
so it's a responsible move.
Approach, traffic
Yeah.
11 o'clock, 2 miles northbound, 1,000 feet above you Cherokee, advise Ada's Yankee, altitude your discretion.
I'll remember this on my solo.
Traffic inside altitude our discretion.
We're probably going to have to do one more in the day.
Yeah, of course. I'll do 2 more.
Contact approach
Okay.
124.1.
124.1, 6 Charlie Alpha.
I'm not that concerned about the money factor, it's just the time. I'm trying to get through fast. Time is money, you know?
Yeah.
But I don't mind paying for some more hours or whatever.
Alright, now we've
It's gonna
passed
make me
restricted.
better.
Let's
Yeah.
get back on the GPS.
2888, Tocal approach, advise Sierra, Arno Zulu is on request, descend via Comex to arrival.
Alright, we'll get Sierra and say the rest.
Arnav Zulu's on request, descend via Comex to arrival, so it's 2888.
Descend via the Comex 2, we'll get Sierra, thanks for the request, 2888.
I think someone told me, did you go to USC?
No, but I'm a big USC fan.
Oh, okay. Are you right out of high school?
No, I went to university 4 years.
Oh, where did you go?
Loma Linda?
Oh, okay, right on. How old are you?
How old do you think I am? 25.
Oh, okay.
Zero cockpit. Let's focus on the flight.
Yeah. You're the one asking me how old you are.
Here is 40 Romeo, contact approach 124.1.
124.1, 40 Romeo.
You need to see what's around you.
Number 06
Got it.
Charlie, contact approach 134.0.
134.006 Charlie.
Air 496, altitude your discretion.
Good, we're on it.
Alright, let's zoom back out a little bit. so we can see what's around us.
Did you say 496? Are we 496?
296 Kilo
Okay.
Charlie.
I'm gonna turn the thingy on. Is that it? There we go.
Approach Southwest 2888 Sierra.
Thank you.
Switch tanks.
Wait, we always check our PSI before we switch tanks. PSI is 43, we switch. If it drops, we go back to the original tank. It's stable, then we can go off the screen. Does that make sense?
Okay, so I'm looking at that.
Yep.
Oil pressure.
Fuel PSI.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, no one's ever showed me that. Makes sense though. You don't want to switch it if it's
6 Kilo Charlie, altitude your discretion, contact tower.
altitude, my discretion, contact tower, 6 Kilo Charlie.
Alright, just tell them over,
What are we over?
just say 1 mile south of
OKB.
Yep, 1 mile south of OKB, touching, just do a full stop for 24.
Okay. Palomar Tower, sling 296 Kilo Charlie, 1 mile south of OKB Airport, requesting full stop.
24. That's right.
Sling 296 Kilo Charlie, Palomar Tower, make right traffic, runway 24, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 24, sling 296 Kilo Charlie. 24.
Alright, descend. Now let's descend down to 2500.
Okay.
We set
Is
it
that
up.
the normal one? Is 24 the normal one, or is the wind?
No, that's the normal one.
Okay, cool. I'm way off course.
It's alright.
But we're just, it's a course to the...
You have an idea of where
pattern.
the airport is, right?
Right,
so we have to
I know
enter the
it's-
downwind right here.
Right, right. At 25, right?
Yep.
Is it just me, or is your elbow in the way? Oh, you can't, that's, okay.
I'm trying my best.
Alright, cool. Give me some room.
Palomar Tower, for training purposes, can you shoot the light gun at us so I can show my student how the light gun would look at night? 6 Kilo Charlie.
Sure, the light guns are really weak here, but I'll give it a shot.
Roger, thank you. Alright, so I want you to look for the light gun.
Yeah, I am. I don't see it.
It's over there, it's on the left. Let me see, hold on. You see that red? Oh no, that's not it. Oh, you see it? It's on,
He's doing it right now?
Alright, let's turn, let's go a little bit this way. I'm trying to figure out.
I'm way off course, but...
6 Kilo Charlie, probably be a lot easier to see if you can get down to pattern altitude. I show you about 2,800 feet right now.
Yeah, we're descending right now, 6 Kilo Charlie, thanks. Descend, power idle, power idle.
Should I take off autopilot?
It's not on.
Oh, okay. Fully idle?
Yep, and descend down to 1,500. What is wrong?
Well, I have it at idle. The RPM's still 33.
That's fine.
Well, it's supposed to be like 2,000.
Well, we're going down.
6
Okay.
Kilo Charlie,
Oh,
you're
so the
about to
propeller's
cross
still
over the field.
moving.
And you have us in sight?
Oh yeah, we got you inside. Sorry, we got you inside. 6 Kilo Charlie. Robert, we're too distracted
All right, we'll
with.
hold off on the light guns, and maybe we'll just work on it once you get on the ground. Runway 24, clear to land.
24 clear to land. 6 Kilo Charlie. Sorry about that. All right, my control, Robert. We really almost just overshot the whole airport because we're worried about.
Yeah.
We're on 836 Palma Ground.
I can't see it.
Vegas Yankee, runway 24.
Airport's right below us. That's all right.
Holy cow!
That's okay.
I didn't see it.
Yeah, the lighting is not the best. Oh yeah, you see the light gun?
No. Okay. You want me to control? We're at 1300. We got to go up 1500.
Okay. Robert, relax. Okay. Relax. 6 Kilo Charlie, clear land for 24. All right. All right, 24 clear to land. 6 Kilo Charlie. We're clear to land, so we're really close to the runway. I'm gonna go to the left a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, just take it easy. I have to take controls for a second.
Sure.
I'll give it to you on final, okay?
Yeah, we're 400 feet below pattern altitude.
Rob, we're cleared to land.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, you see the runway?
Yeah.
Alright, your controls.
Okay, my controls.
500.
Do I need to turn on the lighting or no?
No.
Okay, we need flaps, full flaps?
Yep.
Got a reggae theme here today.
So at night, it looks like you're a lot higher, okay?
Okay.
Easy, go to the center line, you're good. That's perfect approach. Slowly start flaring. Just keep it up just like that. Good. Power idle.
Power idle.
We'll apply the brakes. My controls.
Your controls.
Good job, dude.
Ever 6 Kilo Charlie, back to the runway, or are you going to parking?
Back to runway, 6 Kilo Charlie.
Ever 6 Kilo Charlie, runway 24, taxi via Alpha. I'll shoot the light gun at you as you taxi past the tower.
Alright, 24 via Alpha, appreciate that. 6 Kilo Charlie. So look at the tower.
Palomar Tower, crew track 511, 9 miles to the north with Yankee inbound full stop.
Crew track 511, Palomar Tower, and a right base.
Alright, I see the solid green.
Right base 24, clear to land, crew track 511.
That is pretty weak. Or is that the rotating beacon that's green and white? That's the rotating beacon. I didn't see that light gun.
He said he's going to do it while we taxi.
Oh, okay.
What we're doing, we're right at beam him. Yeah, that was a good landing.
Oh, it wasn't my best, but thank you.
Landing at night is tough. Look, see the red gun? The green now? Green? See it's...
Oh. Green, okay. It comes from down there.
Yeah, well, it's
not
different spots in the airport.
Okay.
Just turn to ground, proceed on Alpha.
You got him?
6 Kilo Charlie, we're on Alpha at 24.
Yeah, I've never actually seen the light gun. That's cool.
Alright, what's the Hobbs time? Oh, we have, okay, we're okay.
1154.6.
Alright, so go flight plan, menu,
Invert.
invert, okay. Flight following back.
You want me to call it in?
I want to do it because we kind of
Okay, that's fine.
requested a lot from him, and I kind of want to,
He yelled at me one time.
this guy? It's okay,
Yeah.
we all get yelled at.
It was a horrible call. though,
Palomar
that
Tower,
mean-
Sling 296 Kilo Charlie, holding short 24, but we'd like to request flight following back to Torrance at 4,500 feet. Aircraft type, Sierra Lima Golf 2, Slant Golf.
You said Torrance at 45?
Yes, sir. 6 Kilo Charlie.
November 6 Kilo Charlie, you ready for departure as well?
Affirmative, 6 Kilo Charlie.
November 6 Kilo Charlie, runway 24, cliff takeoff, winds call.
24, clear for takeoff, and do you want us to keep the same squawk code?
No, just squawk VFR, I'll get you a new one.
Roger.
I'll get it.
Clear for takeoff. Listen.
You want to taxi us there?
What do you mean taxi us there? We're at the runway.
Okay. All right, here. Mind controls?
Okay.
Wait, do I go right?
No, the runway's right to our left here.
Okay. That's what I meant. Like, I don't... That's idle. This is the runway? Yes, you're right.
Yeah. He told us clear for takeoff, right?
Yeah, I think, yeah.
Yeah, I heard it. Okay, just
Yeah.
double checking. All right, go ahead.
Should we stop and ask
No,
him?
go ahead. He's
okay.
just take off. He cleared to take off.
Palomar Tower, Barney 836, holding short runway 24, Alpha 1, ready.
Rotating.
Oh, rotate. Good.
Barney 836, Palomar Tower, squawk 1067, awaiting release.
1067, Barney 836.
$4,500.
Okay, I'm gonna go flaps up.
Barney 836, runway 24, cliff takeoff, traffic 2 mile funnel.
Runway 24, clear for takeoff. I'll be out of the way for that traffic, Barney 36.
All right, fly this heading. Fly that heading, Robert.
The
November
pink
6
one?
Kilo Charlie, turn right, suggested heading 280.
Turn right, heading 280, 6 Kilo Charlie.
November 6 Kilo Charlie, when able, squawk 0224.
0224, 6 Kilo Charlie.
He said 280, right?
Yeah.
So then do it. 280. Bug the heading and do it.
On here?
And then squawk 0224.
Barney 836 traffic, 1 o'clock, 1 mile offsetting north for US Sling at 1,400.
Traffic 5, Barney 836.
He requested 280, so get to
November
280.
6 Kilo Charlie, contact SoCal departure 125.3.
You go.
25-3, 6 Kilo Charlie.
Barney
090, clear check 1032.
Okay, I'm at 280.
Contact approach
Okay, so keep it there.
124.35.
12435, Hawaiian 58, good night. SoCal SoCal, Varney 836 with you, climbing 1,000 for 3,000.
Varney 836, SoCal radar contact. On the maintain 900,000.
900,000, Varney.
I honestly believe this GoPro, all this stuff is